Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your microphone louder on the PlayStation 5. So press the PlayStation button, open up the quick menu, go on over to your microphone right here, and unmute it. So if we unmute it now, we can go over to adjust microphone level. Now you might have yours selected to your controller, so make sure it's not selected to your controller and selected to headset. Then go on over to adjust mic right here, and just bring this option to the right. Now, if you're listening in your mic, you might have way too much background noise. So just slide this to the left and adjust it so it's right over the word good. And that's typically where you're going to reduce a lot of the background noise. And you can start clicking on your keyboard or something and see if it gets picked up. So I'm just looking and that seems pretty good. So you can just test it out. Now, if it's way too loud, just bring it to the left. And then your friends are going to have to adjust it manually in the party chat. So they can go to your name in a party chat, and there is an option under your party chat to adjust the volume. So let me just mute all the audio here real quick, and then just join this party chat real quick, and then you can go to someone's name, and you can go to this little option right here to adjust the volume of their headset. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.